Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Harbour and we're giving you a tour of the Harbour Plaza. Now this plaza is being renovated, but this is one of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. This side of the plaza is finished and it's located in the Harbour area, which is one of the largest residential developments or residential communities in Jamaica. And on the left, that's KFC. Number one fast food chain in Jamaica. Anywhere you see a KFC, you know that Plaza does well. KFC puts their stores at the best locations. So, if you've been following the channel, you know that you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, you need to build it in a populated area, and Harbour, as we said, is a very populated area, one of the largest residential communities in Jamaica. Two, you need fast food restaurants. And straight ahead, that's KFC. KFC alone could bring in the traffic to make this a successful plaza. But this plaza also has Burger King, Pizza Hut, Tasty, Patties, and a few other restaurants. So the food aspect is covered. And the third thing you need is a supermarket, a large brand name supermarket. And this plaza has Shoppers Fair in it. And Shoppers Fair actually just demolished the building they had and are setting up a new store, two-floor store. And we're going to show it to you in a little bit. It's on the other side of the plaza. So we're just giving you a tour and we're going to drive to the other side and show you the construction of the supermarket. The plans were for it to have been finished by 2025, but they haven't finished yet, but should finish in early 2026. So this is, as you can see, a very popular plaza in Kingston. And it's also strategically located at the entrance to the Southern Coastal Highway. Okay, this is a supermarket that's under construction. This is a Shoppers Fair. They have a smaller location open in the plaza, but they're waiting on this massive structure to finish and then they'll move back over here. And this mall is also located at the entrance to the Southern Coastal Highway, and that's the highway that takes you to St. Thomas and Portland. So you're going to find a lot of traffic coming to this plaza. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you think of the renovations to the plaza. Alright guys, have a good day.